In today's class, we are going to learn inheritance in Java. So let's start. We know what is inheritance. This is a mechanism in which one object gets the properties of the parent object. We have learned inheritance in C++. That is, a superclass will be there or a base class will be there. From that, a class has been derived and the properties and behaviors of the parent class is inherited into the derived class. That is inheritance. Use of inheritance for method overriding and code reusability. That is when the derived class inherits the behavior of the parent class. Actually, the code is being reused. And we know what is method overriding. So that is also a use of inheritance. We have learned what is method overriding. These are the basic terms used in the case of inheritance. We know what is a class. It is a group of objects which have common properties. What is a superclass? That is a base class or the parent class. That is, from the class, a child class is being derived. Child class is known as a subclass and the parent class is known as a superclass. And again, reusability is described over here. That means the behavior of the superclass will be inherited in the subclass. That is inheritance. So these are the terms: subclass, superclass. This is a syntax of Java inheritance. Class keyword you have to write the name of the subclass and the keyword extends and then the parent class name or the base class name from where this subclass has been derived. That is, the subclass mentioned over here, its parent class should be mentioned over here. So that is class, subclass name, extends, superclass name, and then mention the methods and the fields. The extends keyword indicates that you are making a new class that derives from the existing class. The child class and the parent class is having is a relationship. See this? Programmer is an employee. That is a relationship. Programmer is a subclass and employee is the base class. See this example. Surgeon is a doctor. So this is the is a relationship. So that is what? A class is related to its parent class. That is what? Surgeon here in this example, surgeon is a derived class which has been derived from the base class doctor. So the parent and the child classes are having is a relationship. Forms of inheritance. These are the 5 forms: single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, multiple inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, and hybrid inheritance. Single inheritance. One base class and one subclass. Here A is the base class and B is the subclass. See, A is the base class. B has been extended from A. That is extends. This keyword we have to use. You have just write the code of class A, method of class A and method of class B. This is single inheritance. Multi-level inheritance. That is, different levels will be there. From A, B is derived and from B, C is derived. So class A, you have to write the method and the variables, and then class B is extended from A and then C is extended from B. That's all. Multiple inheritance, the third one. Multiple inheritance is actually not supported by Java in the normal way. Multiple inheritance is supported using interface technique. We know what is interface. Implement keyword we are using. Instead of extend, implement keyword we are using. So that is interface. So in Java, it is not supporting multiple inheritance, but that is done with the interface. More than one base class and one child class. That is one class extending from more than one base class. And it is rarely used in software projects. Next is hierarchical inheritance. That is one base class and many child classes or derived classes. So class A is the base class, B has been derived from A, C derived from A, and D is also derived from A. This is hierarchical inheritance. The last one is hybrid inheritance. That is a combination of other inheritances. It can also be done using interface. In today's class, we learned inheritances in Java. That is a base class, and from that base class, the subclasses have been derived. So it is extends keyword we are using. And we discussed about the types of inheritances and the syntax, how to use that. So hope it was clear for you. Thank you.